How to activate needle sweep function, full rotation of the instrument cluster needles, on Volkswagen e-Golf using the Carista Evo diagnostic tool. You can use this Carista Evo diagnostic tool that you can find it below in the video description. If you turn the ignition on and the needles doesn't make a full rotation, it means that the car doesn't have the needle sweep activated. So, let's start by setting this up. One, connect the Carista Evo device to the car's OBD2 diagnostic socket. Two, turn on the ignition. Do not start the engine. 3. Open the Carista app already installed on your smartphone, with Android or iOS. 4. Connect the Carista app to your OBD2 device and then select Customize. Then select Instruments, Displays and Nav. Here you go to Gauge Needle Sweep at Startup. And then you go to Yes. Five, turn the ignition off and then on to check if the needle sweep is working. Then you should disconnect the diagnostic tool from the Carista Evo app and also from the car's OBD2 socket. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.